Pinangunahan ni Pangulong Ferdinand Marcos Jr. ang paglulunsad ng Phase 2 ng Chinatown Revitalization Project sa Binondo, Maynila kagabi. Kasama ng Pangulo si First Lady Lisa Marcos. Dumalo rin sa pagtitipon si Chinese Ambassador to the Philippines Jing Quan. Sa pagtitipon, iniulat ng Chinese Ambassador ang magandang balita kay Pangulong Marcos kaugnay ng pagbubukas ng dagdag na direct flight papuntang China mula sa Pilipinas.
Today, we got the good news. China has decided that we will open the direct flights between Fujian and Cebu on March 29th. That will be the first flight. By the way, because more Chinese tourists they're coming back also to Manila, so we already agreed to add 2 more direct flights between Manila and Fujian.
Nagpahayag din ng Chinese official ng pagnanasang mapalakas pa ang kooperasyon ng Pilipinas at China sa ilang larangan tulad ng pagsugpo sa krimen.
We also hope to further strengthen our law enforcement cooperation with the Philippine side to jointly fight against the crime and to ensure the safety for normal people-to-people exchange.
Nagpasalamat naman si Pangulong Marcos sa Chinese Ambassador at umaasang ito ang simula ng mas maigting na ugnayan ng dalawang bansa.
The Ambassador of China, Jing Quan, and I thank you very much for the good news that you have brought about the flights going to Cebu, and I hope that it will be the beginning of more interactions and people-to-people exchange between China and the Philippines.
Ang pahayag na ito ni na PBBM at Ambassador Quan ay kasunod ng nangyaring palitan ng maaanghang na pananalita ng ilang senador at Chinese Embassy officials. Kamakailan lamang inanunsyo ng Chinese Embassy ang pagbabawal sa mga opisyal ng Kalayaan, Palawan na pumasok sa China kasama na ang Hong Kong at Macau. Ito ay matapos ideklara ang Chinese Ambassador na persona non grata ng local government ng Kalayaan sa kanilang municipal jurisdiction. Nel Maribuhok, UNTV News and Rescue. Diyos ang aming sandigan, serbisyo publiko ang aming pinahalagahan.